Shelby!
Tired of walking.
Yeah, put you up here. You can bend over for a while.
Oh. Nico! Brat. You need to be helping. Yeah, he is a brat.
What, you want to come up here? Hmm? Come on. Come on.
She's got a thing for you, Bill.
They were both in the windowsill.
Huh?
I drove up, both of them in the windowsill barking.
Oh, so she must have jumped the gate. Because she was in with Laura's dogs.
Yeah. You made it, huh? Did you make it up by yourself? Yeah?
I think she